All right. Hi.
Who are you? Triangle?
Yep. Good size puppies.
No.
Okay. Huh? See, this is not being submissive. There. I got a little bitty leg. Whew. Looks like we missed that one little nail. Don't touch my nails. Don't touch my nails. Okay. So, I like this puppy. Looks like his mommy. So there's Sire's Legacy. And Legacy is a lot of dog. It was a Dion's son. What color is my hair? Oh, I know. I remember which one I had on. See it, I forgot what I put on this morning. It's a pretty sweet puppy right here. Triangles. We should bring in a fresh piece of a fresh bone and let them fight over it and see which one is the most dominant puppy out here, because sometimes once in a while it'll surprise you. But if they've already decided who that is in the pack, then the other puppies will just give to them. Now you just had to get into my own nail, so don't move while I'm doing this. Let me hold you a little bit better. It's so good. So people, it's not difficult to use this. It's really not, but granted, I get hours of practice a week using it. Well, maybe not an hour, but then you do. You get more comfortable with usage. So just practice. So just practice. Oh, I should have had every one of yours clipped, and I didn't. His bite's really nice and level right now. That's what level it is.
Somebody from Ohio was calling me.
All right, take it.